Hi, I'm Chris Morales. I've been practicing criminal defense for over 20 years now, and I always get a lot of questions about sentencing, so I want to go over the basics of sentencing with you today. There are three types of crimes. There are infractions, there are misdemeanors, and there are felonies. For infractions, the most that can happen to you is a fine. You cannot go to jail if you are convicted of an infraction. For misdemeanors, the most time that you can do in jail is 1 year. That's the maximum for a misdemeanor. For felonies, the most serious type of crime, you can do up to an entire lifetime. Before being sentenced by the judge, you have a right to have a sentencing hearing. At the sentencing hearing, you can bring witnesses that can testify as to your good character. You can offer letters from former employers, school records to show that you were in school, any sort of documents or witnesses that will convince the judge that you are a good person and you made this one mistake. Now, the prosecution also has a chance to bring witnesses, and what they may do is bring the victim in the crime that you committed to court to testify against you. So it's a double-edged sword. Now, the judge has some restrictions as to how much time that he or she can sentence you to. A judge does not have to sentence a defendant to prison or to jail. The judge can sentence a defendant to a probationary period with the stipulation that the defendant stays out of trouble, let's say for 3 years. And the defendant may have to go to counseling, may have to go to NA meetings, AA meetings, anger management courses, something along those lines, but without seeing the inside of a jail cell or a prison cell. There may be some fines involved in a sentence that you have to pay, and you'll have time to pay those fines. Also, there may be some restitution ordered. If somebody lost some money or there was some property damaged, the judge will order the defendant to pay or make restitution to that victim. Sentencing can be a complex area. If you have any questions about sentencing, please call my office. We can make an appointment. You can come in and we can talk about the different aspects of sentencing.